try to limit the number of decisions you have to make in a day. Just very simple things can be taxing and lead to that decision fatigue and seem impossible. So, establishing routines, meal planning so that you don't have to think about what you're going to make for dinner today. You can make sure that you're taking breaks, that you're making big decisions after, sleeping, and rather than, late at night after a long day. And then a really key thing that a wise person once told me, it was Amanda, remember that very few decisions are permanent or unchangeable. A decision works until it doesn't. And you're not making the decision, with finality. It's not set in stone. You can likely change it, whatever that decision might be.